Maestro Tires presents Vehicle Health and Road Safety Tips. In this episode, we would like to touch upon the most basic and commonly asked question by the customers: when and how to replace your tires. Timely tire replacement is very important, both for the vehicle health and road safety. Therefore, it is highly recommended to get your tires checked periodically by the tire experts. This small effort will not only help to optimize the tire life, but will also help in planning the timely tire replacement, so as to avoid the downtime and contribute towards road safety. This video will be very helpful for the customers who want to conduct tire inspection by their own. To meet the legal tire safety standards of United States, a tire tread needs to be at least 2 by 32 inch deep. So first and the foremost thing that needs to be inspected in tire is the tire tread. Any tire which is not 2 by 32 inch deep or is approaching this standard depth mark needs replacement. Next area after tire tread that needs inspection is the sidewall. Tire should be free from sidewall damage. Any tire with serious sidewall damage marks needs immediate attention. It is highly recommended to consult tire expert before further using this on your vehicle. We hope that this video will help you in bringing down your vehicle maintenance cost. Watch out our next video on tire maintenance tips. Until then, win more business, order small quantity of tires at Maestro Tires. We are completely confident that you will be more than satisfied. Large fleets can maximize their savings more by ordering a container of approximately 268 tires delivered right to your door. Don't have a large fleet? No problem. Order small quantities of tires and get them shipped from our California warehouse. Shop now at www.maestrotire.com.